Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to upload one or multiple videos across multiple TikTok accounts at the same time. First, open the MKT Tik Pro software. Next, select the video and content you want to upload. Since the content may vary for each post, make sure you've prepared multiple captions in advance. Then, check the options to add hashtags, select background music, and enable post-upload interactions for your videos. Once you've configured all the basic settings, simply choose the TikTok accounts you want to post from, and hit Start. The software will automatically upload your videos across all selected accounts. If you'd like to deploy this software, contact me via the link in the video description for full support and a live demo. See you in the next video.